हाय यू गाइस वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। सो इस वीडियो में मैं स्वॉच करने वाली हूँ 2023 की सम ऑफ माय फेवरेट एंड मोस्ट यूज लिपस्टिक। आई हैव ट्राइड देम इन 2023 और मैंने उन्हें बहुत ज़्यादा यूज़ किया है। दीज आर माय टॉप टियर फेवरेट इन टर्म्स ऑफ फॉर्मूला, texture, shade, everything. So if you are looking for some amazing lipstick recommendation, this video will be really helpful. और हाँ, मेनली इसमें स्वॉचेस रहेंगे। शायद मैं वॉइस ओवर डाल दूँ, थोड़ा बहुत रिव्यू भी कर दूँ, बट मेनली इट्स अ स्वॉच पार्टी ऑफ सम ऑफ माय फेवरेट लिपस्टिक of 2023. So without further ado, let's get into it. So the first shade we all know, I love this. This is Insight 24-hour formula, one of the best bullet lipstick formula out there. I just love it. This is the hand swatch and I am wearing this already. और अपने ज़्यादातर वीडियो में मैंने यही शेड वेयर कर रखा है. I just love the subtle mauvey pinky shade. It is so pretty. Love it.
feel like a baby in a coat. I put the water in the ocean in the city that I'm from. I like the room in the dark cause my blink is a touch. I watch fashion that today in the mirror that I saw. Shaping like a ball, we go ball. Flex to the door. I go set to the front. No return. And when I enter the club, today my front. Cause me I get it gone. No they do me wrong. Oh I'm a fashion killer, yeah. I got much to deliver, yeah. When I pass you shiver, yeah. Emma ask a ticker, yeah. I'm a fashion killer.
My most worn lip product was this. This was Blue Heaven lip oil. It's almost done, you guys. Can you see? I love this. और ये नया product था, मैंने इसको इतना ज़्यादा use किया, especially during gym because it's like a gloss. और
I watch fashion that today in the mirror that I saw. Shaping like a ball, we go ball. Flex to the door. I go set to the front. No return. And when I enter the club, today my front. Cause me I get it gone. No, they do
look at
me
the shade. It is so good. And look at the shine.
I got much to live at, yeah. When I pass you shiver, yeah.
Wow. These are dupes of Rare Beauty lip oil. This was launched before that in India, so Real Beauty is ke baad aaya. But I was like so impressed. Love this one. I'm going to swatch this. This is this hand swatch. Leaves are stained. Can you guys see? These does leave a stain. Love the formula, but I have to conceal my lips now. Perfect. It's one of my favorite and most worn lipstick. Can you guys guess it? It's the shade Woody Rose from Mamaearth. Last one is Irish Coffee Mauve Top, जिसे मैं लास्ट में swatch करूँगी, और ये है Pink Beam. So I'm going to swatch Irish Coffee. One of the best liquid lipstick जो मैंने try की है. Wow, it's so beautiful, so elegant, just like a wow. I mean, this was the most viral shade for a reason, and glad I got this. और मुझे लगता है मेरा ख़त्म हो गया है. So this is Irish coffee. मैंने इसे बहुत use किया है off camera because without makeup also. Yeah, I think I have used this up. Wow. Amazing. It's an achievement. So this is Irish coffee. Love it.
Não me compara que eu já falei. Nada me para, eu curto meu way. Sinto essa vibe, ilumina minha mente. Babe, tudo na vida tem um meio e fim. E eu ainda nem comecei. Fashion, eu nasci pra isso, mano, eu sou fashion. Não me compara que eu já falei. Nada me para, eu curto meu way. Sinto essa vibe, ilumina minha mente. Babe, tudo na vida tem um meio e fim. E eu ainda nem comecei. Sentimento.
So the last one, the last second one is pink bean. It has a clickable formula.
Aproveito o momento, falei. Eu
Love
falei. Sanguessugas não colam em minha vista, uma lupa de noite. Fashion, eu nasci pra isso, mano, eu sou fashion. Não me compara que eu já falei. Nada me para, eu curto meu way. Sinto essa vibe, ilumina minha mente. Babe, tudo na vida tem um meio e fim. E eu ainda nem comecei. Fashion, eu nasci pra isso, mano, eu sou fashion. Não me compara que eu já falei. Nada me para, eu curto meu way. Sinto essa vibe, ilumina minha mente. Babe, tudo na vida tem um meio e fim. E eu ainda nem comecei. Sentimento, deixa guardado pros meus, eu sei bem. Os olhos nunca mentem, baby. Aproveita o momento, falei. Eu falei. Sanguessugas não colam em.
It's more like a hybrid between lipstick and a lip gloss, honestly. Bronze. So I have swatched tan nude Sophia from this Super Stay lipstick, the Super Stay chubby one. This shade is Crush, the glossy one. This shade, the lip oil one, is Glaze Bronze. From the Blue Heaven range, it is Chocolate Swirl. From the 24 hours range, by Inside, it's Moody. From Plum, it is Give Me More. And from Mama Earth, it is Woody Rose. From Swiss Beauty, it's Mauve Top, the last shade. So yeah, that's pretty much it. यही थी मेरी फेवरेट लिपस्टिक जो मुझे आपके साथ शेयर करनी थी, that I have tried in 2023. और ये कुछ ऐसी लिपस्टिक थी जिन्हें मैंने बहुत ही ज़्यादा वेयर किया है, मेरे यूट्यूब वीडियोस में भी देखा होगा. In general, if you see me wearing this lipstick, you know कौन सी है मेरी लिपस्टिक फेवरेट लिपस्टिक फॉर्मूला. So that's pretty much it for this video, you guys. I hope you like this video. If you do, please do not forget to like, share, subscribe. I shall see you in the next one. Bye bye.